Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Venmo credit card features easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, log into your existing Venmo account or create a new one if needed. To create a new account, tap on Sign Up and enter your email address, phone number, and password. Follow the prompts to verify your phone number by entering the code sent via SMS. After logging into your account, navigate to the menu in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. Next, select Add Bank or Card. To add a credit card, choose the Credit Card option. You will need to enter your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure your billing address matches the address on file with your credit card issuer. Review your information for accuracy. When everything looks correct, tap Save to add the credit card to your account. Once added, you can use this credit card for Venmo transactions. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with using a credit card on Venmo. For further details about these fees, check the Venmo website or help section in the app. With your credit card successfully registered, you can now enjoy seamless payments through Venmo. To make a payment using your credit card, simply choose it in the payment method options during a transaction. That's all for the registration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.